In this video, we'll walk through the process of using the Invitrogen Neon NxT Electroporation system for a transfection experiment. The Neon NxT Electroporation system offers both quick run and plate mode. We recommend setting up your experiment using Transfection Lab on Thermo Fisher Connect for comprehensive experiment planning and plate design. After preparing your cell suspension in the corresponding resuspension buffer and adding the genetic material you would like delivered, prepare the Neon NxT buffer tube. Add 2 milliliters of the appropriate electrolytic buffer, E10 for 10 microliter reactions, or E100 for 100 microliter reactions, and place the tube in the station. You should hear a click when it's properly seated. Now let's prepare the Neon NxT pipette. For the Neon NxT 8-channel pipette, it is recommended that you first press the ejection button to ensure the pipette is not in the locked position. Attach the appropriate size pipette tips, 10 microliter or 100 microliter, to the pipette by pushing the pipette straight down until you hear a click, signifying the clip tips are secure. Next, lock the gold pistons by pressing the plunger of the 1 channel to the second stop until you hear a click, or pressing the dispense plunger down on the 8-channel pipette to the lock position until the button is flush with the top of the pipette and you hear a click. To ensure the pipette is ready and all the pistons retract evenly, allow the plunger to return to its original position for the 1-channel pipette, or press the aspirate button for the 8-channel. Afterwards, return the pistons to the starting position by pressing the dispense plunger down. Once the samples have been aspirated and there are no evident bubbles, dock the pipette into the buffer tube in the station until you hear a click, signifying the pipette is secure. With your selected protocols inputted, electroporate your samples by pressing Electroporate. After successful electroporation, remove the pipette from the station and dispense your electroporated cells into the appropriate vessel with pre-warmed media. Finally, utilize the tips a second time for replicates or eject them into a sharps container. For more information, visit thermofisher.com/neonnext.